Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's see economic implications regarding forecasting in call centers. Forecasting isn't just about predicting call volumes, it's about financial foresight. Every percentage of forecast accuracy directly influences labor cost, profitability, SLA penalties, and ROI. Foundation: forecasting as a cost control mechanism. Let's establish a core economic truth of contact center management. Labor accounts for 60 to 75% of total operating costs. This means forecasting isn't just a planning exercise. It is one of the most powerful cost control mechanisms in the entire operation. When forecasts are accurate, staffing aligns precisely with demand. But when forecasts drift, the financial impact compounds quickly. Let's break it down. In an overforecasting scenario, too many agents are scheduled. This leads to idle time, inflated cost per contact, and unnecessary payroll spend. On the other hand, underforecasting is even more damaging. It triggers overtime expenses, increases SLA penalties, and creates workload pressure that often leads to attrition, each of which quietly drives cost upward. Here's the economic insight that leaders must internalize. A seemingly small plus or minus 3% forecast error can shift total labor costs by 2 to 4% every single month. This is why forecasting accuracy isn't optional. It is foundational to cost control, financial stability, and operational excellence in every contact center. Impact on Cost to Serve, CTS. Now let's understand how forecasting accuracy directly influences one of the most critical financial metrics in a contact center, Cost to Serve, or CTS. CTS is calculated as total operational cost divided by total contacts served, which means the efficiency of your forecasting model has a direct impact on how cost is distributed across every customer interaction. Here's how it plays out. When the forecast leads to overstaffing, too many agents are scheduled for too little demand. As a result, fixed labor costs are spread across fewer contacts, causing cost to serve to rise. On the flip side, understaffing creates its own financial damage. It drives overtime, increases burnout, and often reduces service quality, all of which push the cost per contact higher. So what's the healthy operational practice? Maintain forecast accuracy within plus or minus 5%. This helps ensure CTS remains predictable, margins stay stable, and the organization avoids sudden cost escalations caused by staffing imbalances. In simple terms, better forecasting, more controlled costs, stronger profitability. Influence on bill-to-cost and bill-to-pay ratios. In outsourced and BPO contact center environments, forecasting accuracy plays a direct role in protecting commercial margins. Two financial ratios become especially important: bill-to-cost and bill-to-pay. Bill-to-cost measures operational profitability, essentially comparing the revenue billed to the client against the total cost of running the operation. Bill-to-pay, on the other hand, reflects the relationship between client billing and payroll obligations, a critical indicator of financial health and contractual compliance. Now let's see how forecast errors impact these ratios. When we overforecast, staffing levels exceed actual demand. This inflates the cost base while revenue remains unchanged, leading to a reduced bill-to-cost margin. When we underforecast, the risks shift. Teams become stretched, SLAs are threatened, and performance dips. This can lead to SLA penalties, revenue loss, or missed billable volumes, all of which reduce the bill-to-pay ratio. To stay financially healthy, organizations aim to maintain a bill-to-cost ratio between 1.2 and 1.6. Stable and accurate forecasting is what keeps operations consistently within this profitable range. In summary, accurate forecasting safeguards revenue, controls cost exposure, and protects the commercial margins that BPOs depend on. Forecasting and revenue predictability. Accurate forecasting doesn't only optimize operations, it strengthens the financial engine of the entire contact center business. When forecasts are precise, finance and sales teams can model revenue flow with confidence. They can accurately predict billable hours, FTE deployment, and service utilization, ensuring that revenue projections align with contractual commitments. Accurate forecasting also helps prevent revenue leakage. It reduces idle time that erodes billable productivity, and it avoids missed SLA credits that directly cut into revenue. And perhaps most importantly, forecasting accuracy improves client and investor confidence. Predictable performance signals operational maturity. Predictable revenue signals financial credibility. Here's the key insight. Forecast precision equals financial credibility. The more accurate the forecast, the more reliable the revenue, and the stronger the organization's financial position. Workforce productivity and ROI. Forecasting plays a critical role in determining how efficiently a contact center monetizes its workforce. Every percentage point of accuracy directly shapes agent productivity, service consistency, and financial return. When forecasts are too low, teams become overworked. This leads to higher absenteeism, rising burnout, and degraded performance. The organization pays more, both financially and through loss of morale. When forecasts are too high, the opposite happens. You end up with idle capacity, low occupancy, and reduced utilization. In simple terms, you're paying for time that isn't being productively used. This brings us to the real financial driver, workforce ROI. The formula is straightforward. ROI of workforce is equal to revenue from handled contacts cost to serve divided by cost to serve. The goal is to maximize this ratio, and the fastest, most reliable way to do that is through accurate forecasting. By aligning effort with demand, forecasting ensures agents' time is fully optimized, costs stay controlled, and revenue potential is fully realized. In short, better forecasting, better productivity, higher ROI. Economic ripple effect of forecast error. Forecast errors do not operate in isolation. Every deviation, whether small or large, creates a ripple effect across cost, quality, and workforce morale. Let's break down the three major types of forecast errors and their consequences. First, overforecasting. This immediately results in idle FTE and underutilization. But the downstream impact is financial, lower bill-to-cost margins and higher cost to serve, as fixed labor expenses are spread across fewer contacts. Next, underforecasting. The immediate effect is intense operational pressure, SLA penalties, overtime, and firefighting. Downstream, this drives burnout, attrition, and a noticeable dip in quality, which further increases cost and reduces client confidence. And then we have AHT misforecasting. This disrupts the entire workload model. When actual AHT deviates from the forecasted baseline, staffing becomes misaligned, leading to inefficiency and cost imbalance across intervals. Here's the key lesson leaders must understand. Forecast deviation compounds. It doesn't just affect numbers, it affects people, performance, and profitability simultaneously. Accurate forecasting removes these ripple effects, creating stability across cost, quality, and workforce well-being. Linked to budgeting and financial planning. Accurate forecasting is not just an operational tool, it is the backbone of budgeting and financial planning in every modern contact center. When forecasts are precise, organizations can confidently design quarterly and annual budgets for staffing, technology upgrades, and operational expansion. It also strengthens headcount planning, ensuring recruitment and training pipelines are aligned with real future demand rather than guesswork. Accurate forecasting further guides capital allocation decisions, whether it's investing in automation, expanding seat capacity, or scaling cloud infrastructure. Finance teams rely heavily on forecast stability to determine where, when, and how much to invest. And here's the core economic benefit. Better forecast accuracy reduces financial risk. It gives finance the confidence to commit to investment decisions, knowing that future demand, cost patterns, and revenue expectations are backed by reliable data. In essence, accurate forecasting becomes the bridge between operational reality and long-term financial strategy. Influence on pricing and contracting strategy. In client-facing environments, forecasting accuracy directly shapes pricing and contracting strategy and ultimately determines commercial success. In most contracts, volume forecasts influence three major components. First, pricing tiers, whether billing is per call, per hour, or per FTE. Accurate volumes ensure the pricing model remains profitable and aligned with actual service demand. Second, buffer FTE or bench capacity. Clients and providers often include buffer headcount to manage variability. Incorrect forecasts can inflate this buffer and increase unnecessary cost. Third, SLA penalty thresholds. Forecasted volumes determine performance expectations, and missing those expectations can directly trigger financial penalties. Here's a practical example. If the contract is priced for 1 lakh calls per month, but the actual volume drops to 90,000, that 10% shortfall can reduce monthly billing by 3 to 5 lakhs, depending on the commercial model. This is why accurate forecasting is not only operationally important. It is fundamental to profitability, pricing stability, and contract sustainability. Effect on resource utilization and infrastructure cost. Forecasting doesn't only shape staffing, it determines how efficiently the entire operational infrastructure is utilized. Accurate forecasts drive seat utilization rates, ensuring physical workspace capacity matches actual demand. They guide telephony bandwidth and licensing requirements, preventing unnecessary telecom expenses. And they inform cloud instance scalability, helping technology teams adjust compute power and storage precisely to expected workload. When forecasting is inaccurate, the financial consequences appear quickly. Overprovisioning leads to idle seats, unused licenses, and oversized cloud instances, all of which inflate cost without adding value. Underprovisioning, on the other hand, causes congestion, system slowdowns, and availability issues, resulting in SLA risks, customer frustration, and emergency spend on rapid scaling. Here's the financial reality. Poor forecasting makes infrastructure either too big or too small, and both scenarios are expensive. Accurate forecasting ensures technology, workspace, and bandwidth are right-sized, cost-efficient, and ready to support peak performance. Labor cost optimization and overtime control. Labor is the largest cost component in any contact center, which makes forecasting accuracy essential for controlling payroll and optimizing workforce spend. When the forecast is too low, operations face immediate pressure. Teams compensate through emergency overtime, cross-skill pulls, or stretch coverage, all of which push payroll variance upward and strain the workforce. When the forecast is too high, the opposite problem emerges. You end up paying for unutilized hours, idle agent time, and unnecessary staffing buffers. This quietly inflates labor cost without adding any operational value. Here's the economic impact leaders must recognize. Every 1% variance between forecasted and actual workload can create a 0.5 to 1% variance in total payroll. That means small forecasting errors translate into real money every single month. Accurate forecasting ensures the right people are scheduled at the right time, minimizing overtime, reducing idle capacity, and keeping payroll tightly aligned with productive demand. Forecasting and automation ROI. Forecasting doesn't just improve staffing, it strengthens the business case for automation and AI investments. Accurate forecasts allow organizations to model the ROI of automation with confidence. They help estimate the reduction in assisted contacts, quantify manpower savings, and build clear financial justification for automation budgets presented to clients or internal stakeholders. Here's how it works in practice. If the forecast predicts a 15% chatbot deflection, that directly translates into a 15% reduction in labor cost per month. This creates a measurable, reliable ROI baseline that leadership can use to evaluate investment decisions. Forecasting ensures automation is not based on assumptions, it is based on data, predictability, and clear economic outcomes. In short, accurate forecasting amplifies the value of AI and self-service by demonstrating real, quantifiable ROI. Market competitiveness and financial agility. Forecasting accuracy is not just an operational advantage. It is a competitive differentiator in the BPO and contact center industry. Organizations with strong forecasting maturity can respond faster to market shifts, whether it's seasonal demand changes, new client volumes, or unexpected behavioral patterns. They can optimize their cost structure ahead of competitors, enabling sharper margins and better financial control. And they can offer clients more flexible pricing models because their cost base is predictable and stable. This level of agility strengthens both commercial positioning and client trust. Here's the business insight to remember. Forecasting accuracy equals strategic agility, especially in highly competitive BPO markets. The more accurate the forecast, the more confidently an organization can price, scale, invest, and win. AI-driven economic advantage. AI-driven forecasting delivers a powerful economic advantage across modern contact center operations. First, AI minimizes variance and eliminates cost spikes by continuously adjusting to real-time demand signals. This creates financial stability and prevents sudden payroll or SLA-related escalations. Second, AI enables real-time financial simulation of what-if scenarios. Leaders can instantly model the impact of volume changes, AHT shifts, or staffing variations, allowing faster, more confident financial decisions. Third, AI improves capital efficiency by enabling demand-driven staffing models. This means every dollar invested in labor, technology, or capacity is tied directly to actual workload patterns rather than static assumptions. And here's the real breakthrough. The automation of reforecasting not only reduces manual effort, it also eliminates the hidden cost of human error. The system recalibrates itself, keeping forecasts sharp, precise, and economically optimized. In summary, AI transforms forecasting into a financial engine, reducing cost, increasing agility, and driving smarter economic decisions across the entire operation. Influence on profitability metrics. Forecasting accuracy is one of the strongest levers influencing contact center profitability. When forecasts are stable and precise, financial performance becomes predictable, controllable, and consistently aligned with business goals. First, accurate forecasting stabilizes EBITDA margins. It reduces unplanned overtime, prevents excessive shrinkage, and minimizes last-minute staffing interventions, all of which protect operating profitability. Second, it optimizes cost per acquisition, or CPA. When agent utilization is efficient and well aligned with demand, the cost per successful conversion or resolution decreases, directly improving unit economics. Third, accurate forecasting boosts revenue per FTE. By matching productive agent time with forecasted volume, organizations ensure every hour is monetized effectively and aligned with billable work. Here's the rule that ties it all together. Forecast precision adds direct profitability leverage. Better accuracy creates a healthier margin profile, stronger commercial performance, and greater financial resilience across the entire contact center ecosystem. Risk, compliance, and financial governance. Forecasting plays a crucial role not just in operations and finance, but also in risk management, compliance, and overall financial governance. Accurate forecasting strengthens SLA risk management by enabling proactive capacity allocation. This ensures you have the right number of resources at the right time to meet contractual commitments and avoid penalties. It also improves audit readiness. Documented forecast assumptions clearly explain why certain budget variances occurred, making financial statements easier to justify and defend during audits. Additionally, forecasting enhances financial reporting accuracy. Clients receive transparent, data-backed explanations for volume trends, staffing requirements, and cost outcomes, building trust and reinforcing credibility. And here's the final outcome: reduced risk exposure and higher confidence across every stakeholder, auditors, clients, and investors alike. Forecasting becomes more than a planning tool. It becomes a foundation for governance, accountability, and long-term financial stability. Summary: key takeaways. Let's conclude with the core takeaways that define the financial power of accurate forecasting in modern contact centers. First, forecasting is both an operational and financial lever. It influences staffing, cost structure, profitability, and long-term strategic planning. Second, even small improvements matter. Every 1 to 2% increase in forecast accuracy can translate into a measurable uplift in overall profit month after month. Third, poor forecasting creates hidden financial leakage. It shows up through overtime, idle hours, SLA penalties, and workforce attrition, draining resources without always appearing on the surface. Fourth, AI-enabled forecasting takes financial planning to the next level. It strengthens ROI modeling, improves contract pricing, and enhances annual budget planning with data-backed precision. And finally, true forecasting excellence brings together cost predictability, profitability, and client trust. When forecasts are accurate, financial confidence rises, operational risk falls, and the entire ecosystem performs more consistently and more competitively. In short, forecasting accuracy is a direct pathway to stronger financial outcomes and superior client partnerships. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.